In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to report fraud or suspicious stores on Shop app. Let's get started. First, launch your Shop app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the store's profile page. Then tap three-dot menu in the top corner and select report. After that, choose the reason for the report such as misleading products, inappropriate content, or other suspicious behavior. You may also be asked to provide more details before submitting report. If you receive fake auto notifications, suspicious messages, or too good to be true deals, avoid clicking unknown links or contacting suspicious phone numbers provided in messages. Shopify says users should report stores with unusually low prices, fake products, or suspicious activity to help investigate fraudulent merchants. You can also contact official shop support through the Help Center if the in-app report option is missing or not working. And that's it. This is how you can easily report fraud or suspicious stores on Shop app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.